Hi, good
Hi, good
morning everyone. My name is Rupinder Kaur and my student ID is 30353384. Today me and my team members are here for our project demonstration. Our assigned project is ride booking application and project number is 40. Next slide please. Our client is Gaurav Dutt Sharma after office and our project supervisor is Dr. Brijesh Kumar Gupta and our workshop tutor is Gajendra and lecturer is Lucia and we are 4 team members in our group. Sachin, Amisha Patel, me, Rupinder Kaur and Laprit Singh. I have been working as an analyst on this project and Sachin is working as software developer. Amisha is working as a tester and Laprit Singh is working as a software developer on this project. The primary aim of this project is to design an Android application that is MyRide. The final product includes driver application, user application and content management system that is CMS. And basically this project is complete taxi booking application. We have built this application using Android Studio along with 3 applications. All three has different features such as logging, 3-step verification and payment, etc. After some research we come up with a literature review that ride sharing is becoming more and more popular due to its great advantage on fare estimation, and automatic payments and reputation, and also it has a secure payment protocol that provides very secure platform for the customer and the driver. And due to the advancement of internet enabled mobile technology makes it more easier to recognize more flexible ride sharing system in which drivers and users can introduce non-recurring trips on short notice. So these are the literature review. Now my team member Sachin will continue. Thank you.
Hi, thank you, Rupinder Kaur. Hi, my name is Sachin and my student ID is 30350235. So I'm going to talk about the project deliverables that is required from the client side. So we are delivering a final product which contains two Android application and one content management system. Two Android applications are one rider application and one driver application. And we are also providing a design document along with the technical document to assist the future development and scalabilities. So we are also providing a user manual to assist users to how to use the application. And test reports will also be desired from the customer side, so we are also delivering the test reports we are created during the development time. So here are some listed features along with the app name. So we got one rider application which has a registration profile, taxi booking and fare calculation before taxi booking and driver tracking, such kind of basic features we need as an application. So, and we have one driver application. We got registration as same as the rider application, driver profile, status, trip alert notification, and receive and track earnings. So, and in the content management system, we got secure login, location, and fare management of the driver and riders. We can also manage the driver and passengers and their bookings and their vehicles. We can change the driver vehicle. We can review the driver payoffs and such kind of thing. We can change, add new admin and change the admin password. So here is the use case that explain in a very easy way how the apps are interacting each other, what the customer can do with the application, what the driver can do, and what the admin can control. So in terms of tools and techniques, we are using Android Studio to develop an Android applications, JavaScript to enhance the user experience, MySQL to change to create the local database, and Firebase to create an online messaging service and to communicate with the real-time database, PHP for content management system to, and GitHub to save the repository and to control the versions of the application. So these are the tools we use during the development time. So most of the time we worked on the Android Studio because we got two Android applications. So now my team member Lavpreet Singh is going to talk about the sprint one.
Hi, my name is Lovepreet Singh. Student ID 3035678 I would like to talk about my three sprint. The first is the MyRider Driver app. The entire project is developed by using various technologies for bringing various features of function in the project. It is easy to use because all the parts of the application have been developed in a modular form with the use of various dynamic Android Studio. And first of all, the driver have a three simple step for the sign up and login activity. And in the driver app, the driver can update the information about the car and the driver tour. And the location map is at the home screen, in which the at the corner down the look on and go online and offline switch is available for the driver, and the trip information is also present in this app for the trip history, how much the driver earn. And in my next slide, spin 2, it's a driver app which is also called a user app. And the MyRider application is one which is accessed by the customer side. All the OOPS concepts have been used in making the system more interactive and functional. And in this, the rider also have a simple and effective sign up and login up on the main screen. And when it's come to the home screen, the pinpoints show the customer location, and the car show the available nearby driver. When the customer uh, click on the car, it show the full information of a driver. And the rider has two options to select the trip, which is my ride X and my rider flag, and send the pickup request to the driver. And the pickup option is directly goes to the driver screen app, and the payment option is after the completion of a trip. And move to my next slide. It's a Sprint 3. It's a CMS, it's a content management system, which stored all the data of two apps, which is a rider and driver app, and it's directly connected with a Google Firebase, on which all the data go online, and it's working both the apps very accurate. And all the framework is worked in PHP, which is we did in a local host, and MySQL is used to store the data. In CMS, we have put all the information like a driver control, ride control, payment information, pickup request. In CMS, we easily edit and delete any information or data of both the app. And we also change the admin, uh, and there is some move to next slide. There are pros of MyRide. It's easy to use, three-step verification, accurate location, and secure and private, and a ride history, and a payment security by a PayPal method, and a ride tracking system for our family, friends. And next slides are discussed my friend Amisha.
Thank you, Lovepreet. Hello, good evening, everyone. Myself, Amisha Patel, and my student ID is 30353090. Now, I will going to discuss about the testing and evaluation of application, My Ride Booking application. We have done this application testing according to test plans like plans and strategy, schedule and strategy, risk and assumption, entry and exit criteria like that. To test the performance on the application, the time to make the transition from one activity to another activity was checked manually. As you can see on the screen, we have done like pickup and detail screens and so on, and the mean time between click off and click on button, the time to load the screen to the user. As you can see, we have also checked the each and every screen time from start to stop. Next slide, please. Now I'm going to discuss about the unit testing. The main objective of unit testing is to verify whether every single unit operates in as intended, and to validate whether the application work as per the requirements whenever the application starts and stop. In unit testing, each and module of the testing application is testing separately without interface of any other module. Sometimes it can even be a whole module or the single module of the application. And unit testing can be conducted manually, but more often automated testing is also applied in this testing methods. For a separate unit testing, it can be take as a function or method. And these are some screenshot as we take as a test case from various module of applications. Next slide, please. These are some modules like payment details and mandatory fields validations, and payment methods like credit cards and credit card informations like name and CVV number. And so next slide, please. Now I'm going to discuss about the application future recommendation. Next slide, please. So the first one is technical assistance. If is there any technical issue and application got down, so user and driver can get the help from technical assistance. Then share live location. If passenger is traveling from A location to B location, then they can share their live location to their loved ones or family members. Then weekend price differences, like there's a rush in weekends as people are accessing places like pubs and everything, so they get access, and use driver can get more price, so they are encouraged to drive in the weekends. By weekend price differences and new wallet, like we can add the new payment method is made to driver once the trip has been done and completed, and can be made using cash card, or can be done payment with the wallet as well. And we can add the weather information in the future application as a new feature. Next, these are the some references we have used for literature review for our application. Thank you.